Hey guys, remember me? You might not because I don't post that often, but that's okay. But anyways, I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you guys how I got this makeup look. Today I really wanted to focus on my skin. I wanted to fill out this base and a nice, natural juicy lip. I didn't do crap with my eyes, and that's exactly how I wanted it. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So I've already cleansed and moisturized, and I also added the Glam Glow moisturizer on top. It's like this mega illuminating moisturizer. It looks like this, so I can have extra glow. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of the Becca Liquid Illuminator in the shade Opal, and I'm only putting this on the areas where I would highlight. For foundation, I'm gonna mix the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Natural Beige and the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade 125 Nude Beige. And then I'm just gonna blend this all over using my beauty sponge. This is from Real Techniques. I'm gonna go in with a second layer using the Maybelline one. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix two concealers as well because one's way too white and then one is slightly too yellow. These are the Nyx Hd Studio Photogenic concealers. They look like this. This one's in the shade CW04 and this one is in the shade CW02. So using these two, and I'm gonna put that under my eyes and on my T-zone as well. The white one I'm gonna focus a little more just on the inner corners. See, like, it's just really light for me. Just a tiny bit, tiny little bit. And then I'm just gonna use the end of the sponge to blend it all out. So lately I've been practicing my cream contouring skills, so not great, but I've been loving the outcome of it. So I've been using the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer, and this is in the shade Toast. So it looks like this in the shade Toast. 1, 2, 3. I'm doing it just a little bit higher because when you go to blend it out, it gets like a little everywhere. I'll fix it. Like right there, like that. Just to give me the appearance of a chiseled jawline. And then I'm using my Real Techniques. I think this is a foundation brush, but it looks like this. And I'm just gonna blend it out. Okay, so just because I do think it looks a bit harsh, I'm gonna go back in with my foundation sponge and then like kind of blend all the cream products together. So I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm gonna bake. And basically I just put this everywhere. Alright, so for my eyebrows, I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Shape and Fill. It's just a brow pencil with a triangular tip. It looks like this. It does the job. I'm not gonna say that it blows me away, but it's what I'm using today, so. Okay, so for eyes, seriously, the only thing I'm doing is just dusting a bit of bronzer. This one is from the shade on my palette. I'm using the dark one, and I'm just gonna throw that in my crease. And mascara. And that is all. The mascara I'm gonna use is the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. Looks like this. And then I'm gonna throw on the Ardell Demi Wispy Lashes. Abort mission on the lashes because my lash glue I think is expired, so that's just great. I'm wiping away the bake. Alright, so I'm gonna bronze up the skin a bit with powder. I'm gonna take the middle shade in my Kat Von D shade on my palette. You can clearly see it's used and abused. For blush, I'm taking this Baby NARS one that I have. It's in the shade Goldu, I think is how you pronounce it. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not quite sure, but I've been loving this. And it has like tiny little shimmers, but it's not shimmery, which I like and appreciate. I went overboard, like always, so blend it out with the foundation sponge, guys. We're nearing the end. I'm gonna go in and take Champagne Pop. Apply that to my cheeks. This better pop. Girl, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Oh yeah, there you go. Do I want to put a lot or a little? Take a little bit with my finger and put on the inner corner. Let's go in with Too Faced Melted Latex Clear Gloss. But before I go in with that, I'm gonna line my lips with the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Tootsie. I'm gonna fill like the sides in a bit. Alright, and then to top everything off, I'm gonna take my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and just, you know, get a little 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so that completes this video. This has been like my go-to flawless kind of base lately. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and that it wasn't too boring. You guys know I don't be posting frequently. I'm gonna try, but no promises. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit the like button for me, please, and subscribe if you're not already. And you can catch me in the next one. Bye. Bye, guys. Love you. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're watching this right now, I really, really love you because my videos are trash. You know that thing, like, it's like with eyebrows. Yes. No. Up here. Oh my god. Who's telling me what?